paperless. Construction estimates, invoices, change orders, materials breakdown, sales tax, employee timesheets, government compliance, daily safety plans, printerless, paperless faxes, inkless. Pull the trigger. Brand your company and take your construction company paperless. Works on all smartphones, computers, Apple, Droid, laptop, or even client's computer. Look professional and never be without a written estimate ever again. Provide your client a written estimate instantly without printing a single page. Eliminate that cluster of paper in your truck. Employees are able to use this app on their individual cell phones. With every order we receive for the next 2 weeks, we will provide that timesheet tool 100% free. Includes timesheet, daily safety plan, best practices. Just pay for consulting. You and your employees will be running on autopilot. Plus, you can share the scope of work on job site cell phones. Eliminate the fax machine forever. Order now and get 1 free hour of consulting. Call or text 360-910-7041. Garth North, abchservice@gmail.com. One-time fee of $99.95 offer expires in 48 hours. Additional costs apply after your first hour of consulting based on 5-minute intervals at $9.95.